Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be making some stir fry, vegetable chicken stir fry. And if today's your first time coming across this channel, please don't forget to hit that subscription button and turn on the notification bell and give this video a thumbs up. So guys, if you're a returning subscriber, you're very much welcome. Without wasting much of your time, let's jump right into this recipe for today. So first of all, go ahead and introduce the recipe, the ingredient to you guys. So right there I have my spring onions, and I also have some regular white onions that I already chopped up, and I will be using eggs. Like I'll be using 4 eggs for the fried rice. So I'll go ahead and make fried rice first, and this is my rice already cooked. So I didn't have enough time to cook this overnight, so I just cooked this rice not long ago. It's still kind of warm. I'll be using some black pepper and salt to taste. And in this little bowl, I'll go ahead and mix up my soy sauce that I'll be using for the fried rice. And I'll be adding some traditional soy sauce, just like the regular ones. And to that, I'll be adding some dark sauce. And remember, you can use any sauce of your choice. And I'll be adding some oyster sauce. So it's a little bit kind of thick, but that's okay. I'll go ahead and shake that up and get some out. So that's it. I'll be using just 3 of that sauce, the soy sauces. And to that, I'll go ahead and add some chicken broth. Yes, I'll mix that up with chicken broth. Once it's well combined, I will set that aside. Then let's continue with our cooking. So right here I have my pots already heated up in a skillet pot. So I'll go ahead and add some vegetable oil. Feel free to add vegetable oil of your choice. Sorry about the noise, my kids are here with me. So go ahead and pour in the eggs and turn that around until it becomes scrambled. So it's like we're making a scrambled egg, but you know what we are doing, right? So once it's all combined together and coming together like that, I'll go ahead and add some salt to taste, and I'll also add some black pepper. Yes, and then I will turn that around again, and I will set it aside. That's just it. Just go ahead and set that aside. And I have my wok. So this house was the wok was really cheap wok. I got this from Walmart, about $8 or $9. I think it's below $10 for sure. So once the wok is well heated up, I added my vegetable oil. I'll go ahead and add the onions that I showed you guys earlier. I'll go ahead and add that up. So I always like to fry my onions, my pepper, ginger, garlic, just a little bit. Believe me, this, if you haven't tried doing this to your fried rice, Chinese fried rice, just go ahead and give it a try. So right now I'm just adding some garlic. So sorry, not garlic, ginger. I'm adding some powdered ginger, and right now I'm adding the garlic. So I'll go ahead and add this up. It's looking as if it's burnt, but it's not. It's just because of the powdered, stuff that I'm adding. And I'll add some black pepper as well. So, but if you have time to to make the fresh ginger garlic, go ahead and do that. But I was running out of time, so I just decided to use the powdered ones. So I'll go ahead and add my rice and stir this up until they are all well combined together. Just like that. Once everything is combined, this smells amazing. It was smelling so good. So I'll go ahead and add my white mixture with chicken broth. So I'll go ahead and add that up and mix that up until they are all well combined, just like that. So look at that, looking so nice. So once everything is combined, we'll go ahead and add the egg. Just add that up. So this is like a very quick and easy fried rice recipe. This is like the most basic fried rice recipe. There is nothing much to this rice. So once that is well combined, just go ahead and give it a taste to be sure that you have enough salt, pepper, soy sauce. It tastes good, you know. Just go ahead and give it a thumbs up. So once you feel that your rice is tasting good, you know, to your desired, you know what I mean. So you're good. So I added the spring onions. Just go ahead and garnish that with spring onion and turn that around, and it's ready to go. So this rice was very easy. It was like less than 10 minutes this rice was done, you know. So I'll go ahead and dish that out, and that's it for this rice. There's nothing much, you know. It's as easy as apple pie. Yes, just as easy as apple pie. Go ahead and dish that out. So guys, we'll jump right into making the vegetable sauce, the vegetable stir fry. So here, I'll go ahead and introduce my ingredient for the vegetable stir fry as well. I have my pepper. This is my orange pepper, the yellow one, and as well I have the red one and the green one. So you can use whichever one you want. You don't have to use all of it. So to that I have some carrots as well. So use whatever vegetable you have available. You don't have to like have all of these. You can use just one type of pepper. So that I'll be adding some one box of mushroom and onions. This is half onions, half from the one that I used to make the fried rice, and some broccoli. So that's all my vegetables for the stir fry. And in this plate I have my mixtures of soy sauce. So I added some oyster sauce, and I added some black sesame oil, then the soy sauce, regular soy sauce. I'm almost out of that, but I'll get more. That's okay. So I'll be adding some teriyaki sauce. You know what they say, chicken teriyaki. So I'll be adding some teriyaki sauce, and these are my fresh garlic and fresh ginger. I'll go ahead and grate this up. I'm not going to be using all of this ginger, so but I'll get as much as I want. And to that I have some black pepper and some salt to taste. And the last but not the least, I have my chicken breast that I already chopped up. So looking so nice. So these are my chicken breasts. You can just slice yours up to the size you want it to be. So let's go ahead and start cooking. So I'm gonna be using the same pot that I used to make the egg for the fried rice. So I'll go ahead and add a little bit of more vegetable oil to that, and I will add my chicken. And the pan is really hot. It was very hot. So I'll go ahead and add. Once I am done adding that, I will spray them out, make sure that they are all individually on the pot as much as I could. So I'll let them cook, and I'll keep turning them around until everything is well cooked through, because the vegetable stir fry is gonna go pretty fast as well. So we're not gonna be wasting much time. So once it has getting to this point, I'll add the powder, a little bit of the powdered ginger again, and the powdered garlic, just a tiny bit of that. And I'll add a little bit of black pepper again, just You can be generous to this as much as you want. Black pepper is not really that spicy. Just I like the taste it gives, but it's not spicy for me. As long as I'm concerned, black pepper is not spicy for me. So I'll keep turning this around until I get that brown color that I'm looking for. Or add some salt to taste. So look at that, we're getting there. So look at that color, the golden brown color is popping up. So I think that's it. Look at that, looking so nice right now. So I'll go ahead and scoop these guys out, you know, just scoop them out in a different bowl and set them aside. So this smells so good. I was just like I was so tempted to like eating these guys up, but you know what, I can't do that. Look at that. So I'll go ahead and set that aside and we'll proceed to making our stir fry. So in my wok, I'll go ahead and transfer the same oil that I used to fry the chicken. Just go ahead and put that in my wok, and I'll add my broccoli. I just want to start with the vegetables. That takes a little longer because I want this to be cooked, but at the same time I want to have that crunchy texture, you know. So once I put that in, I went ahead and just stir that up for like 30 seconds. You don't want to do this more than 30 seconds, or you can even do it lesser if you want. So I just stir that around for like 30 seconds. So I'm adding the carrots, broccoli, and onions. So those are the vegetables that are a little bit harder. So I put that in and then stir that up for like 30 seconds, like I said before. And my wok is very hot. As you can see how smoky that is. It's really hot. So after 30 seconds, I add my vegetables, red pepper, green pepper, and after that, after 30 seconds of stirring everything together again, so this is bringing this closer to like about a minute of stirring. So I went ahead and add the next one should be my chicken. So I'll go ahead and add the chicken. And then I add what's next? There we go. I'm adding my mushroom, and to that I'll go ahead and add my ginger and garlic. So this gives this like this like it pops up the taste. I don't know if you get what I'm trying to say. It gives this taste a pop. So at this point, I'll go ahead and also add my soy sauce mixture. My camera went off, and I didn't know that went off. So I didn't get that on camera. But what I did was to add a tablespoon of cornstarch. I added a tablespoon of cornstarch to the soy sauce mixture that I showed you guys already. So this is the cornstarch that I added to the soy sauce. So after that, I added that in and stirred it up again for like about 30 seconds to 45 seconds. And the sauce is ready. So that's it. And this is my fried rice I made earlier on. I just put that back in the hot surface to warm it up. And voila, food is ready. Yep, it is so ready, and this tastes so good. And you can just, if you're on weight loss diet or you're trying to like cut down on your calories, you can just excuse me, you can just eat this chicken stir fry vegetables, chicken stir fry. You can just eat this like this without anything. Just go ahead and enjoy this vegetable the way it is. It tastes so amazing. Look at that. and the vegetables came out so crunchy. You know, it tastes so good. It was not overcooked at all. The total cooking of this was like 2 minutes. 30 seconds of stir frying the vegetables, the carrots, the broccoli, and then another 30 seconds of cooking all that vegetables that I added the peppers. And then when I added the soy sauce, I stirred this up and stirred them for like 1 more minute, and everything was like 2 minutes total. Everything was done, so it was not overcooked at all. So you can just go ahead and enjoy this way, the way it is. You don't have to worry about anything. But if you want to have a little bit of white rice to this stuff, why not? You can go ahead and just get yourself some white rice and scoop in this vegetable chicken stir fry, just like that, and you go ahead and enjoy that as well. It tastes amazing. Can you just take a look at that? Can you see that? It looks so good and it tasted so good. So if you want to give this a try, it's so simple, so easy that anyone can do. So I'll just go ahead and dig in somewhere. Just find somewhere and dig in. So you can add more sauce if you think that your rice or your sauce doesn't have a lot of sauce in it. You can add a little bit more of stir sauce, like the soy sauce. You can add a little more, or you can even add a little more of the chicken broth just to have a little bit of sauce. But I think mine was perfect. I don't want it to be too watery, so I just did it the way I want it, to my own taste. So you can do this the way you want it as well. Just take a look at that, looking so good, and it tastes so amazing. I can't stress myself enough on this one. So this was good. It turned out to be perfecto. So guys, that's just it. You can enjoy your stir fry whichever way you want it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. And this is both of them together, the fried rice and the stir fry. So everything looks so perfect. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and click the subscription button. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I really appreciate that. And comment below, tell me your thoughts, what you think about this recipe. If you're gonna try it, if it was good, just give it a try. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and stay blessed. Bye bye. See you next time.